Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. In this video I will show you how I decorated this cookie using a wet on wet technique. If you are wondering what is a wet on wet technique, this technique in cookie decorating refers to a method where a layer of wet icing is applied to a cookie surface and additional wet icing in one or more contrast colors are added on top of it while it is still wet. This technique is used to create seamless designs or blend different colors of icing, making beautiful designs. And to make this cookie, first you need to prepare enough flooding consistency icing to decorate your cookie. Then you're going to divide the icing in 3 different containers and tint the icing in pink, red and white. Then you're going to put the icing in a pastry bag or squeezing bottle, or you can also use toothpicks to make small dots and lines. So let's start decorating this cookie. I'm going to start by outlining the design on my cookie using medium consistency icing and a decorating tip number 1.5. If you want, you can use a tipless pastry bag as well. Now I am going to cover the cookie using a flooding consistency icing that I put on a tipless pastry bag. Now I am going to shake the cookie, and if there are some air bubbles, they're going to come up to the surface and then you need to pop them using a screw ball. Now I'm ready to make the wet on wet technique. I am going to start by putting tiny dots of red icing. Now I am going to put white tiny dots. They look very pretty as they are right now, but if you use a scribble or a toothpick and drag the colors, they're going to look even nicer. And for the top part of this cookie, I am going to make some little lines for you to see different designs. And that's it. This is the wet on wet technique for cookie decorating. Now I just need to let my cookie dry so I can finish it up. And to make the last details, I am going to use the same icing that I used to outline the cookie, that is medium consistency icing. And our Valentine cookie is ready. This is it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here on my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and see you next time. Bye bye.